So here's the solution. So first we're gonna say from turtle import star, and then now we can start the function. So define draw square, and then now I'm going to say fill color just because I want to add some color. So fill color pink, and I'm going to say pen color, which is the outline of the shape, to be blue. Since I want I don't want it to be like black, or like I want to specify it to be blue. Of course you can do any color. I'm just using those two colors as an example. So now I'm going to say begin fill. So it'll start filling in the shape like in pink because I said fill color pink. And now I'm going to say I'm going to draw the square. So there are two ways you can draw a square. One is by saying circle and then adding the radius, the degrees, and the vertices. And another way to do it is adding a for loop and repeating it 4 times and saying forward and then the number of pixels, and then turn left or right. So I'll show both ways. First I'll show the circle way. So circle. So you can imagine it's an imaginary circle. So let's say I want it to have a radius of 60, and I want it to be I don't want it to be half, I want it to be the whole shape. So I'll say 360 degrees, and now it's the number of vertices. So since the square has 4 vertices, I'll say 4, and then I can close it. So first is radius, then is the degrees, and then it's the number of vertices. So that's one way to do it. And now I'll just say end fill. So it stops filling in the shape. And now I will say draw square. So I'm just calling this function. Now I'll save it and run module. So here's the shape. It's filled in pink and the outline is blue. So that's one way to do it. And if you want to make the square straight, then you can add turn left or right and change it to 45 degrees. So, and make it 45 degrees. So I'll say left 45, save it, run module. There, it's straight. I can also say right. You can also say right and 45 degrees. And that will also be straight. And you can add any other degrees too. So yeah. And the second way to do it is to add a for loop and say forward and then turn left or right. So first I'll say for I in range 4, and then I'll say forward, and I want the turtle to move forward, let's say 100 pixels. Now I want the turtle to turn left by 90 degrees. Since a square has angles of 90 degrees, you can also say right, but I'm saying left. You can also say right. Both ways will work, as long as you say 90 degrees. And then you can say end fill, and just it's the same except you have to change this bit if you want to do it this way. So you say run module, and there it is. So this already comes straight since the turtle starts straight and you're saying forward, which is so the turtle goes straight and then turns 90 degrees. So you don't have to say turn left or turn right before the for loop, which is for I in range 4 here. So that's the solution for exercise 2 square. So hope you found this video helpful. We will be posting more videos soon. Keep watching and bye.